I am back inside with a home project. I'm going to build a bed frame from wood that I have here. That's some oak wood, and then that's just some 4x4s. I'm going to cut those in half and that one in half, and I'm going to make the posts out of that. I'm going to put bolts in the sides, and then I think the mattress that we're going with, it's going to be full size. Again, it's a little home project. I'm using the wood that I have. Go cut these first. I'm going to cut those in half. Then I'll get the bolts, and I'm going to drill a little bit into the wood to kind of, so my screws will fit. And then I'm going to put it together. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to put one in the middle, and I think that one's going to stick out more because I think it's wider, but it's what I have. So I'm going to use that. And then we're going to put slats across. Those are the legs there. They're about 20, I think they're 2 foot. 2 foot all the way around. I have a bar that I told you I was going to put in here. I'm going to go ahead and adhere, sorry, I'm trying to get you, let's see if I can, that there, around, and then that corner, and then that corner. I'm going to put that together, and then I'm going to drill 3 holes. I'm going to put the 3 bolts in that way. 2 in this right here, in that one, and then I'm going to put 3 on that one, which will go across it. There you have it, guys.